If your crypto wallet looks like a ghost town, you're in for a treat. Bitcoin and Ethereum are staging a comeback. After a rough couple of days, crypto prices are on the rise again. Bitcoin jumped 4.7%, hitting $67,799.17, and Ethereum climbed 4.5% to $3,262.76. This rebound followed a tough week for tech stocks, with the Nasdaq and S&P 500 taking some hits. So, what's driving this bounce? The Federal Reserve's favorite inflation gauge showed prices easing in June, sparking hopes for a potential interest rate cut in September. Plus, the Bitcoin conference in Nashville is adding some serious buzz, especially with former President Trump expected to speak. But hold on, it's not all smooth sailing. Despite these gains, Bitcoin is still flat for the week, and Ethereum is down 7%. Tech stock woes and big outflows from the new Grayscale Ethereum Trust are weighing things down. So, what should you do? Remember, the crypto market is a roller coaster. Stay informed, do your research, and invest wisely. That's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to Bionic Cavex. Don't forget to ring the notification bell for your daily dose of crypto news. Until next time, keep investing smart.